Welcome. Let's start the session.
No, come here, say, me are the original water bender. You couldn't fight Goliath. So me can never fight Bathsheba instead of water bender. But flood are my thing. I never you bring no flood, brethren. Yeah, when me just stand up, an animal just run come. So you call down the big fish pan me.
We're not here for that.
It kind of hurt still. So me never get to see the promised land just through me strike the rock. You should have done the right thing.
No, Adam.
You don't know you're limited enough. Well, if you would have controlled your one wife, we would not have been in this predicament. Miss therapist, I would like to say something, ma'am. I was very lonely. Adam spent all time I hung out with the animal them. And I change up their name every minute, ma'am. One time for 3 weeks straight, Adam stand up in front of the bull cow. I try to decide if he name it bull cow or donkey, ma'am. Every minute, bull cow, donkey, bull cow, donkey, bull cow, donkey.
That must have been hard.
Adam hardly talk to me, ma'am. Well, as a killer, you must attend to your wife. If I might interject. Oi, New Testament. Thanks back.
There's no need to be so crass.
Relax yourself, Moses. I want to deny. Deny. Well, me might deny, but at least me never betray. All what go on, and me perform the best in the Bible.
Once again, that's not what we're here for.
No, me. Well, I am wise, and I am well learned. I mean street smart.
Actually, none of you are the greatest in the Bible.
Why you would say a thing like that, miss? Because